ГӀалгӀай Mok, that is how the natives of Ingushetia call their country, lying at the very heart of the Caucasus Mountains. Among other highlights of visit to the Republic of Ingushetia are the famous ГӀалгӀай Towers, which remain silent witnesses to the ancient and complicated history of the North Caucasus. For hundreds of years the towers defended the residents from sudden raids. Until relatively recently, a significant part of the Ingush population was still living in them. The Stalinist deportations in 1944 are mostly responsible for the abandonment of these ancient stone giants. The NKVD troops attempted to blow up all of these ancient buildings, but the order was not fully executed. The Ingush people who had remained in the mountains resisted as they could. Due to their struggle, we can still see the amazing monuments of many nameless heroes who fought to preserve their native land. The famous Soviet archaeologist and historian, Professor Evgeny Krupnev, in his book Medieval Ingushetia, described the Ingush towers as in the true sense the pinnacle of the architectural and constructional mastery of the ancient population of the region, that amaze with their simplicity of form, monumentality, and strict grace. The archaeologist stated that the Ingush towers for their time were a true miracle of human genius. Many might have noticed this unique symbol on many of the ГӀалгӀай towers. This symbol signifies Ezdel, the unwritten spiritual moral code of honor of the ГӀалгӀай. The word Ezdel derives from the nonfinite, ezi, of the verb, ozer, meaning to weigh or balance, and the second component del means to do or act. Thus it translates as, act weighted, or balanced, in other words, weigh your actions. To the ГӀалгӀай, Ezdel is a code of honor and conduct passed on from generation to generation by parents and society. It symbolizes justice. The ГӀалгӀай say, if a person does not weigh or contemplate his actions, then he is similar to an animal. About a virtuous person, the ГӀалгӀай would say, Ezdisig, meaning, a noble person. The structure of Ezdel consists of the following concepts: conscientiousness, decency, dignity, the desire to be better, and honor. If a person lacks at least one of these traits, then the formula that makes up the ГӀалгӀай's ancient code of honor completely loses its true meaning.